Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our English Learning Podcast. Today, I have a fun and powerful lesson for you. We're going to talk about words and phrases you should stop using all the time. And even better, I'll give you alternatives that make your English sound smarter, more natural, and also more impressive. Because here's the truth. If you always say good, bad, very nice, or I'm fine, you will sound basic. But when you replace them with stronger words, people will notice your English level instantly. So let's dive in and upgrade your vocabulary. Think of English like painting. If you only use two colors, like black and white, your picture would look boring. But if you use many colors, it becomes beautiful. Words are the same. If you only use good and bad, your English is like a black and white picture. But if you use fantastic, wonderful, terrible, or awful, suddenly your English has color. So today, I'll give you 5 basic words you should stop using all the time and better alternatives for each one. So let's dive right in. The first word is good. Yes, it's easy, it's useful, and it's a good word. However, learners use it too much. Some better options could be great. This pizza is great. Excellent. She did an excellent job. Fantastic. We had a fantastic holiday. Amazing. Your English is amazing. Wonderful. It was a wonderful surprise. Now, here's some practice. Repeat after me. Great. Excellent. Fantastic. Amazing. And wonderful. Now, try making your own sentence. Here's an example. Instead of saying, the movie was good, say, wow, the movie was fantastic. The second word is bad, quite the opposite. Again, very basic, so let's give it an upgrade. You could use terrible. The weather was terrible. Awful. That was an awful mistake. Horrible. The food tasted horrible. Dreadful. We had a dreadful day. And unpleasant. It was an unpleasant experience. All right, you ready for your practice? Repeat after me. Terrible. Awful. Horrible. Dreadful. Unpleasant. Now let's try a story. Instead of the service was bad, you can say the service was dreadful. The waiter was rude and the food was cold. You see how much stronger that word sounds? Next word is, now let's talk about the word very. Sorry. Learners often say very good, very big, very small, very cold. It's not wrong, it just gets repetitive and sometimes boring. So here's some better options. Instead of very big, you could say huge or enormous. Instead of very small, you could say tiny. Instead of very cold, you could say freezing. Instead of very hot, boiling. And instead of very good, say excellent. Ready for practice? Enormous, tiny, freezing, boiling, excellent. Now compare. The house is very big versus the house is enormous. The coffee is very hot versus the coffee is boiling. Which one sounds stronger? The second one, right? Exactly. The fourth word is nice. People say, you are nice, this place is nice, the weather is nice, everything's nice. But better options could be lovely, like you have a lovely smile. Beautiful, what a beautiful view. Delightful, it was a delightful evening. Or delightful meeting you. Charming, he's a charming man. Pleasant, we had a pleasant conversation. Now for practice. Lovely, beautiful, delightful, charming, and pleasant. An example could be, the hotel was nice, but you could also say, the hotel was charming with a beautiful garden. The last phrase learners use too much is, I'm fine. When someone asks, how are you? You don't always need to say, I'm fine. Here are some better options. I'm great. I'm doing well. I'm wonderful. Not bad, thanks. Or I'm okay, just a little tired. Practicing. I'm great. I'm doing well. I'm wonderful. Not bad, thanks. I'm okay, just a little tired. An example here, instead of I'm fine, you could say, I'm doing well, how about you? This makes your conversation more natural. Okay, let's do a quick quiz. I'll say a basic sentence, and you try to upgrade it in your mind. The movie was good. What could you say instead of that? My answer would be, the movie was fantastic. The weather is very cold. My answer would be, the weather is freezing out. He is a nice person. My answer would be, he's a charming person. The food was bad. My answer would be, the food was horrible. Lastly, I'm fine. And my answer would be, I'm doing well. Did you get them right? Great. So today we learned to stop using good and instead use fantastic, wonderful, excellent. Stop using bad, use terrible, dreadful, horrible. Stop using very, use enormous, tiny, freezing, and boiling. Stop using nice, use lovely, charming, delightful. And stop always saying I'm fine. Change it up a little. Try I'm great, I'm wonderful, not bad, or I'm doing well. Your challenge this week, stop yourself every time you want to say good or bad. Instead, choose one of the new words. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Remember, better words equal better English. And your English is excellent when you make these small upgrades. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep shining with your English.